Make a great choice today with the 2026 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.